Welcome to Learn Short and Typing with Vikas sir. Indian Express article heading is Nandigram Crucible. This article is related to political inclined. ये आर्टिकल आपका जब तक आपके वेस्ट बंगाल में इलेक्शन ख़त्म नहीं होते तब तक आपके इलेक्शन से रिलेटेड आता ही रहेगा। ये आपका ममता बनर्जी से रिलेटेड है, जो वहाँ पे रोड टू पावर दिखा, मतलब ममता बनर्जी अपने प्रचार कर रहे हैं, उसी के रिगार्डिंग ये आर्टिकल है। और आपका आर्टिकल डिस्कस करेंगे हम 100 वर्ड पर मिनट्स। बी रेडी, स्टार्ट। In March 2007, less than a year after the left front swept to power in the West Bengal Assembly elections, the ruling CPM regime lost moral authority with the violence unleashed by the police in Nandigram. The movement against the SEZ by local farmers, led in no small part by Mamata Banerjee, became the siege that led to the fall of the Red Bastion. Full stop. In the aftermath of the violence in Nandigram, as well as protests over the Tata Nano factory at Singur, Banerjee and her Trinamool Congress had coined the slogan Ma Mati Manus and begun the journey to writers' building. The left front lost a series of by-elections, culminating in its defeat in the 2011 assembly polls. As the constituency votes today, however, it is Banerjee who is being tested in the Nandigram crucible this time, and her opponent is a one-time loyalist for Banerjee and TMC. While the 2007-8 agitation resulted in an electoral victory, the fundamental questions around the political economy of Bengal it threw up have not been addressed over 2 terms in power. The driving force behind the Singur and Nandigram projects flowed undemocratic and high-handed as they might have been in their implementation, was the need to create employment and facilitate to the return of industry to West Bengal. An empowered and politicized peasantry made that task harder here than elsewhere, and the violent suppression of protests made everything worse. Banerjee's opposition was articulated in terms of land and identity, a political plank that rode on a fear of change. TMC slogans of Porbottom notwithstanding, in office she was perhaps trapped by her own formulations, while welfare in terms of education, subsidies and food grains did her first term credit, the original program of revitalizing industry remained unresolved. The other promise that the TMC held out was of a new kind of center-left politics, one in which the party did not aim to control all aspects of social and political life. On the ground, however, the TMC kept the CPM structures intact, and the local strongman simply changed size. Suvendu Adhikari of BJP until recently a TMC loyalist takes on Banerjee in this election. In Singur, too, Rabindranath Bhattacharya has defected to the BJP. The Saffron Party has, in essence, done pre-election what the TMC did after its first victory in 2011, co-opted the local leaders who control political organization on the ground. Banerjee's decision to contest from Nandigram 10 years after she first won the state is obviously meant to evoke the constituency's recent history, reminding the people of Bengal that this is not the first time she is taking on an ideological behemoth skilled in the art of winning elections. Yet, as much as the BJP in Nandigram and beyond, she is also fighting the failures and creations of her own party and government, the lack of industry, a politics of strongmen and of identity. Full stop. इस आर्टिकल को आप राइट कीजिए और इसको मैच कीजिए। ओके, अगर आप जैसे कोई डिक्टेशन में फ्लक्चुएशन आती है आपकी, तो फ्लक्चुएशन किसी भी एग्ज़ाम को पास करने के लिए आपका ज़रूरी होती है, मस्ट होती है। ओके, ये कोई भी आपका एग्ज़ाम हो, स्किल टेस्ट है आपका, स्टेनोग्राफर का, ऑल इंडिया में किसी भी स्टेनोग्राफर का कहीं का भी टेस्ट हो आपका, जो डिक्टेटर है फ्लक्चुएशन तो करेगा ही करेगा पूरा। वहाँ पे हम जो वहाँ पे मिलता है आपको डिक्टेटर, वो आपको बिल्कुल ऐसा नहीं होता कि बिल्कुल 80 की स्पीड बोलेगा, पूरी 100 की स्पीड बोलेगा, 90 की स्पीड बोलेगा। जैसे मेनली हमारा एसएससी है, वो हमेशा फ्लक्चुएशन करता ही करता है। ओके, इसको आप टाइप कीजिए, टाइप करने के बाद इसको आप मैच कीजिए और आप सेशन को पसंद करते हैं, सेशन को लाइक कीजिए और हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करना ना भूलें। थैंक यू वेरी मच, हैव ए ग्रेट डे।